Welcome to online classes student. Today we are going to start chapter 2 addition and the topic is properties of additions. So in this chapter we are going to learn if we interchange any digit of in addition, the sum will be, the answer will be or a solution will be the same, right? So starting from the pictures conversation, right? Numbers can be added in any order, the answer remains the same, which means the order of these numbers, right? So you can change in any term, you can take this below, take to above, right, in the middle. In the end, when we add these digits, the sum will be the same. So you can see here there is example given to you that when we add these sums, right, as like this, okay, we have taken like this the first greatest number, then their smallest, then the more smallest number. So when we change them, right, we take this below and the second one, the middle one goes to upper, right? So we interchange, but you can see here the answer will remain the same. And if we take this, right, from the third digit to upper section, we can see then we add and the answer will be remain same. In the addition only this will be happen, that the order of any number we add, the answer will be remain the same. So you can see here, right, we interchange them 3 times but the answer remains same. So now come to next. Okay, when we add 0 to any digit, so when we add 0 to any digit number, right, the answer is number itself. For example given to us, like when we add 526 plus 0, so you can see here the digit will be same, remain same. So you can see 6 will be here, 1 will be here. So in this chapter what we learn from this clouds. Okay, if we take from this triangle or from this triangle, right, if we add from this triangle or from this triangle or from this triangle, the answer remain the same, right? So you can see. Okay, so we have done the two things today. Firstly we learn about that whatever the order of the digits, the sum remain will be the same. And yes, when we add 0 to any digit, so the answer is number itself. So let's start the exercise C. Okay, now this one is the same. You can see here 255 plus 726. We will start from this because we have to find this. So you can see here, if there is 225 plus 726 is equal to this, which means these are same. So they what will here is the missing number is 225. So we have written 225. Now you can see here these are equal. So these sums are here. So which one is missing? If 215 is here, 175 is here, which one is missing? 320. So we have written 320. So C, if we plus 0 to 325, what will the answer? Answer will be the same, right? If we plus 3 digits, right, together, so is equal to, there is a missing fill up, so you have to 125. So what which thing is missing? The 3 digit number of 478 is missing, so we will write here. Okay, so you can see here the running sum, we have to do these also. Okay, this is the part of our chapter. So you can see successor of 989, so you have to plus. So you can see 990 is a successor of 989. So here is 1600, which means 1600, right? And minus, there is a minus, so two tens which means 20. So when we minus 20 from 1600, we get 1580, which means 1580, right? So come to this point, we have to plus. You can see here right? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 8 plus 9 equal to 30, right? So in this way, see this one. You can see here the bracket given to us. In the bracket there is minus. So always remember, firstly we will solve the bracket. So when you solve the bracket, 8 minus 4 is 4. So then, okay. So the answer of these is 4, and there is 9 minus 4. So equal to 5. Today we solve the properties of addition. Exercise C. So tomorrow we are going to start a statement, sir. This is the part of all revision section, right? That's all for today. Thank you.